Christmas is coming and everyone is waiting for Santa's gifts. We want to propose to you today the collector's boxes and cases. Here is a collector's box in blue. It's made from extra strong cardboard and includes 60 integrated fixed partitions. You see a hinged lid with large viewing window. It closes on a magnetic mechanism. There is a labeling field on the side of the box for specific descriptions of your collection. You can use this box for a large variety of collectibles such as figurine minerals, shells, and much more. In our opinion, not only the adults will like these boxes, but children also. Another product that we want to show you today is the Volterra Vario Collector's Case. It is a visually attractive case made from mahogany wood grain finish. The inside and the divider are covered in Bordeaux velour. The padded lid cushion is made from the wine red satin. The width of the boxes is 60 mm, the height is 40 mm, and there is the possibility to modify the organization of the dividers as they are flexible. Light varies from 10 to 310 mm. Two golden hedges as well as two magnets ensure that the case is closed securely. You can use this box for medals, watches, minerals, figurines, and the coins also.